everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today we're talking about the upcoming severe weather threat that's going to be going on today. So as you can see, this is our slight risk right here, which goes to parts of Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska. So we can see large hail damaging winds. And I'm going to show you the future reflectivity, which is basically just the radar. And I'm going to show you the future supercell composite. So that's when you can see some supercells, and supercells can produce tornadoes. So yeah. And I'm going to show you the bulk shear, because if you don't know, we need bulk shear to produce tornadic storms. So we're going to take a look at that, because we may only see storms. We may not even see tornadoes. But if you look here, this is our marginal risk right here, which basically just dips down more into Nebraska and surrounds the slight risk. So that's our marginal risk right there. Now I want to go ahead and show you our tornado threat today. So less than 2%, yeah. Today we're not gonna have a big tornado threat. So tornado threat's low. Our hail threat's basically just identical to the wind threat. So I'm not gonna show the wind threat, but it's basically just our hail and wind threat here. Almost the same area as a slight risk too. So yeah, that's that area. Now I want to go ahead and show you the models, because in our models we have some strong storms that are going to be forming late tonight and to the early hours on Thursday. Yeah, really strong storms. I want to go and show you our composite reflectivity though. So this is our composite reflectivity. I'm going to wait for this to load up just a little bit. So as you can see here, this is about the model. This is about 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Let's go and get more into the future. So you see these storms right here? These little bubbles of just rain and storms. Maybe a few lightning strikes. Not even really storms. Yeah, just rain, just random bubbles of rain showers. Well, it turns into this, and then these are really strong storms right here. This is already has a slight risk in this area here. Yeah. And so then it starts to move right, yeah, the strongest of it's going to be right where that slight risk is. Right here, we have some really, really strong storms. So, really strong storms. Not that big of a tornado risk, but we still have some really strong storms and, yeah, really strong, severe thunderstorms. So, make sure you're in a sturdy building, because these can be really strong. And they're weaker at this point. This is about noon tomorrow. But yeah, they're still a thing. And then they start to fizzle out. We just see another round of storms right here start to come for parts of Iowa, but they're not part of this round of storms. But yeah, then everything starts to just be more clear there. And so I now want to go ahead and show you our severe weather, because I want to show you our supercell composite. There it is. So let's go and take a look at this. This will be when we'll see our supercells. It's pretty low. So yeah, I haven't actually looked at the updated one, but yesterday it looked low. Let's go see what we'll see here. So 5 o'clock on today, about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. As you can see here, it's very low. Actually, it's very, very low. See, not that many bright colors here. So we're probably not going to see a tornado. So tornado threat is low, which is a good thing, because we've had tornado threats here a lot of times. Midwest, you guys are getting like lots of storms, but luckily we don't have that big of a tornado threat. In that storm I was talking about in Iowa, there's barely any supercell composite threat, and the tornado threat is definitely usually lower than the supercell threat. And this is only the supercell threat, so we're probably not going to see that many tornadic storms. So that's a good thing. Now I want to go and show you our bulk shear, because you know we need bulk shear to produce tornadoes. So this might be pretty low if the tornado threat is low and the supercell threat is low. So let's wait for this to load up real quick. And just like pretty random here, I am going to have a 30 subscriber special, and the most recent subscribers are going to get a shout out. So make sure you subscribe, because if I get to 30 subscribers, you will most likely get a shout out. So this is about Thursday. Wait for this to load up here. As you can see, this is a lot of cheer here. But this is tomorrow, about 4 a.m. Again, this is where the strong storms will be, but it's just we're not going to see that many tornadic activity. As you can see, when it starts to get to where the storms will be, it starts to weaken a ton here. So yeah, it's not that bad of volts here, but we do have some really strong winds that we will see here. But yes, see, here's the volts here. Not that big, but yeah, so that basically means that our tornado threat's low, because we only see purple here. Usually we need red, and it could be red and we don't even see anything. But yeah, so that's pretty low. Again, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to go and show you our composite reflectivity really fast here, just one more time before I leave. Again, please leave a like and subscribe. Again, almost to 30 subs. Leave a like, subscribe. So, as you see, the line of storms, this is about 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock is your time. This is when the storms are going to start to fire up. It's about 4 a.m., 5 a.m. That's where you saw that bulk shear come in. It wasn't very strong. It means not that many tornadoes, but it was pretty strong. So really strong winds. And it starts to fade off. It's about the same time tomorrow, about like 8 o'clock tomorrow, of when the storms start to come up. So yes, that is our severe weather threat. Leave a like, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we leave, I'm going to go ahead and show you our outlooks here. Just one more time. So again, here's our slight risk here. Yeah, that's our slight risk for today. So again, leave a like, subscribe. V-Weather, stay safe. Share this with any of your friends that live in the circled area right here, because they may be in a threat for some storms. So share with your friends, anybody or family, anyone who lives in that area. Leave a like, subscribe. Definitely subscribe and leave a like. And V-Weather, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!